Hey little kids, today I am going to learn you about colors. Here I am drawing some balls and then I will color it with 12 shades of colors. So let's see how I am drawing the balls. The ball shape is circle, so you should draw many more circles. Now I am drawing eyes, eyebrows, lips to make the balls funny. Let's start to color the balls. First one I am using the yellow colors. So kids, say with me, what is this color? Yellow. And this is orange color. So say with me, orange. This one is deep blue color. So kids, say with me, what is this? Deep blue color. This is light green color. So kids, say with me, light green. And this is light blue color or sky color. So say with me, this is light blue color. And this is brown color. What is this? This is brown color. This one is pink color. What is this? This is pink color. Now I am using red color. So what is this, kids? This is red color. Now I am using the purple color. So kids, say with me, what is this? Purple color or violet color. Here I am using the gray color. So kids, say, what is this? This is gray color. Now I am using deep green color. So what is the name of this color, kids? Say with me, deep green color. And the last one I am using the black color. So kids, say, what is this? This is black color. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you. Tata, bye bye kids.